Have you ever struggled to pronounce words in French that contain the letter Y or in French Y? Although the letter Y is a vowel in the French alphabet, it's often used as a consonant. It's placed between two vowels, and that's where, as a teacher, I hear it pronounced wrong daily. Don't worry, I'm here to help, but I'll share a secret with you in this video that I learned when I was a child from my own teacher in France. I'll also take you through a selection of 30 words with Y. Watch my video so that you can understand how to say these words correctly. For the best step-by-step French tips and simple explanations, subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell below, you'll be notified every time I share a new video. So go on, you can pause the video now, click the big red subscribe button and the bell icon, and we'll get started. On y va? The key to pronounce words with the vowel Y is to see it as two letters in one. In fact, at school, my teacher often drew this. It's a Y that has each arm looking like the letter E or I. So the Y is transformed into two E's. It was such a powerful reminder of how the spelling we see differs from how it is said. As a child in France, the problem is reversed. My adult learners, usually English native speakers, will know how to write the words, but the pronunciation will be their challenge. Whereas for French children, they've usually heard the word containing the letter Y, but based on how it is said, they would never dream to spell it like that. So writing it correctly is therefore their challenge. Let's take the word noisy in French. It's bruyant. The Y acts like two letter I's. We break it down, bruyant. Bruyant. As you can see, we pronounce it in two syllables, with one ending with the first E, bruit, and the second starting with the second E. By splitting the Y into two distinct I sounds, we need to note that the letters U and E, they don't mix. So in bruyant, you still hear U and E as different sounds. But do remember that some vowels do combine with E to form a new sound. For example, A et I makes E, O et I makes wa. This means that when Y comes after A or O, A or O, you won't pronounce them as A or O. Indeed, you'll hear E or wa because the Y splinters into two. The first syllable will contain the sound E or wa, and the next syllable will start with another E sound. Let's take a look at more examples, as most words with Y behave in this way. And there are a few exceptions, but they are rare. This is the majority rule, and here's our list. So, une abbaye. We won't say abeille, but une abbaye. So, three syllables, abbaye, an abbey. Aboyer, to bark. Appuyer, to press. Le balayage, sweeping or highlighting. Balayer, to sweep. Les boyaux, the guts. Bruyant, noisy. Clairvoyant, clear-sighted. Le crayon, pencil. Effrayer, to scare. Un employé, an employee. Ennuyant, boring or dull. Essuyer, to wipe. Essayage, the fitting. Incroyable, unbelievable. Une layette, baby clothes. La moyenne, the average. Noyer, to drown. Payer, to pay. Un paysage, landscape. Un paysan, a farmer or a peasant. Rayer, stripped. Une rayure, a stripe. Réessayer, to try again. Relayer, to pass on. Renvoyer, to send back. Tutoyer, to call someone tu. Un tuyau, a hose pipe. Vouvoyer, to call someone vous. And finally, voyager, to travel, voyager. Et voilà, you now know how to say these 30 French words with the tricky Y, tricky letter Y, properly. You can apply these to lots of other words that you come across. To help learners just like you gain even more confidence in speaking and understanding more and more French, I've created a special training called Tricky French Sounds. It's free and you can watch it to help you understand and spot some of the sounds that you hear and to perfect how you say them yourselves. You'll see the link in the description below. I will also put it in the first comment so you can watch it straight away after this video. bit.ly/tricky French sounds. Alors voilà mes amis, thank you so much for watching. Remember that if you enjoyed this video, the best way to say j'aime cette video is by giving it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and share it with another French language learner. Au revoir.